Hello everyone and welcome to 815 Off-Road for our very first live video. I'm Caleb Johnson and we have Aaron Mitchell over here. We're going to be doing the install of a Bikeman Performance slip-on muffler on his 2019 Polaris General. Here we go. Okay, so we've already removed the stock muffler. A few things you'll notice right away is the difference in size, weight, and looks. This one looks a whole lot better than this ugly looking enormous stock thing. This is his 2019 General that has already been tuned and clutched by Gilomen Innovations. So here we go with the install. It should be a really quick video, but should be relatively simple. Okay, so here we go. We got the spring plate that mounts to the stock head pipe. We're gonna install that first. There's just a couple screws, took out the original stock screws. Now he's just gonna screw in the supplied screws from Bikeman Performance. There we go, that's all tightened down. Make sure not to over tighten it so you don't strip the bolts on the head pipe.
So I think I want to put these springs on next and get these ready for the mid pipe before we put that on next.
We're just gonna put the springs on to make sure that the orientation of the springs helps the muffler go on that much easier, or the mid pipe I should say.
Top one might be a little bit of a pain. Yeah. Okay. So we got these four.
All four springs are installed in the orientation that's gonna help it go on easier.
And then our mid pipe.
Can we grab the muffler now?
Bikeman Performance. Yeah. It seems like they want us to do the muffler first prior to the mid pipe.
Now we're gonna grab the Bikeman Performance slip-on muffler, get that in its location. It's got these two little prongs that are gonna go into the stock locations right there.
That's where one of the springs has to go.
Get the springs in location also before you put the muffler there.
So it seems like it's a little bit easier to hook it up top first. And then push it in the little bushing. There you go.
There you go. So you just hook it on the top real quick and then you just push the little rods right into the bushings.
So before I put those springs on, I think I'm going to put the mid pipe on in case we need to make any adjustments to it. There we go.
There you go. That looks like it fits up pretty nice from the get-go.
It seems to mount real flush over on that side.
There we got the springs with that spring plate that BMP provided.
one spring there, and then one on the inside too.
We're gonna use our really nice handy dandy trampoline spring tool.
So I ordered one from Amazon. It was supposed to be here last Sunday. Came to our town, did not get delivered to the house, somehow wound up in Iowa, then Missouri. It's a week later and we still don't have it.
So we went out to the barn and grabbed the one from my trampoline from probably 5 years ago. Almost the same tool, and saved $10. Tool works perfect. These exhaust springs are not fun.
All right, so we got the 4 springs on here. Our video cut out, so just showing there's 4 up here. There's 1 on the front, another spring on the back. If you come over to this side, there's a spring up top here, and then there's 1 on the bottom that we haven't clipped yet. And I'm gonna put the flashlight down for a second. It's a little difficult with this tool because it's a little wider at the end than I would like.
Well, it's made for a trampoline, not for exhaust springs.
There it goes.
There you go, you got it. Look at that.
One thing that immediately jumps out to me, here, hold this flashlight for a minute, is just the diameter of the piping. So here's the factory muffler. And if you compare the end on this one to the Bikeman one, the Bikeman one is about, looks like about 2.5 inches.
Yep, I would agree, about 2.5.
And the factory one is right at 2.
2, yep.
So it looks like that here, and the mid pipe is just a little bit bigger than the factory as well.
I would agree with those.
The one thing for those, I didn't know this. I didn't realize the diameter of this piping, so I did not order the Bikeman Performance spark arrestor, but the factory spark arrestor will not work here. So,
and that's good to know. If you're going on state park trails and all that kind of stuff, you're gonna need a spark arrestor. Okay, after the final install, here's what we got. We got Bikeman Performance slip-on right here, Gilomen Innovations tuning and clutching. Here we go for the initial sound clip. Might give it a little something. That's got some sound. Oh yeah, big difference from stock. Big difference. That right there made a huge difference in sound. Should make a nice difference in performance. Aaron, what do you think about that? I'd say that's a job well done. Let's finish this up with a little quick beer chug and a can crush. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe at the end of the video. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it.